Mark 19, a live grenade employment, combat convoy simulator. Any climb, any place, no better time to train than now.
Good.
It doesn't really matter what your MOS is. There could come a day where they're expected to know how to employ weapon systems that are common to all Marines. You don't have to be that 03XX MOS to understand how to employ the M240 Bravo, how to throw a grenade, or how to employ your TO weapon system. These guys know how to maintain gear. They do that every day. We just need to make sure that they also know how to ensure their own survivability and endurance on the battlefield.